Hi, it's me again, year 2, and it's Friday. Way hey! Here's your maths lesson, week 6, lesson 5. Go to the Top Marks website and let's do some more subtraction using a different game. Okay, type in subtraction in the search and then look for the Are You a Math Magician subtraction. Okay, different levels. Have a go at mix level 1. Type in your name. I'll just put Miss M and start. You've got to watch this timer. You don't want to run out of fuel. So type in your number and you have to press enter. And answer as many questions as you can before your fuel runs out. Have a go at level 1 and then try level 2. You've got to get really quick. Some money work now. How can we work out how much money is in the purse? Well, first of all, we need to tidy it up a little bit by putting the coins in a line from the one that's worth the most to the one that's worth the least. So I've put all my pound coins together and then it would be the 20 and the 5, wouldn't it? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 pounds. And then you've got 25p as well, haven't you? Because 20 and 5 is 25. But how do we write that? You wouldn't write that, would you? We need to shorten everything. Now, although we say 4 pounds, when we write that, we do the pound sign first, then the 4. Now we need that dot. Remember, it's called a decimal point. So anything to the left is how many pounds you've got, and the number to the right shows you how many pence you've got. So we had 25, didn't we? There's no need to put the P sign because this decimal point is showing us that these are the pennies. 4 pounds 25. Now pretend that you're a shopkeeper. Get yourself some squared paper and I'd like you to show me how you'd write down a price ticket for £2.51. Stop the video if you need to. Now, Mr. Shopkeeper, write me a price ticket for £4.26. Then a price ticket that would say £3.97. Remember, you don't need the P signs. How would you write £4.82? And last of all, how would you write £6.73? So what price have I written down? And now I want you to think, how could you get that money out using the least amount of coins? Okay, now you know that £1 is 100 pennies, but you wouldn't get that out, would you? You know that 10 tens would make a pound, or 2 50s. There are lots of ways of making a pound, but the easiest way is just with a pound coin. I usually say, don't be lazy, go crazy. But with money, you can be lazy. Use as few coins as you can. Now let's make the 90. There isn't a 90p coin. A pound coin's too big. What's the next value coin? It's a 50, isn't it? But I need 90p. I'm not going to use tens. The next value coin, working our way downwards, would be a 20. 50, 60, 70. Not quite there yet. 80, 90. There's my pound. There's my 90. How can I make a 5? Using as few coins as possible. Yes, I could use 5 ones, but that would take ages. Just grab a 5. So it took me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins to make £1.95. That's much better than using 195 1p coins, isn't it? So on your square paper, I want you to write the price, £1.95. And then draw around the coins carefully on the paper. Don't forget to label what each coin is so I know what you've used. Like so, but you need to do the rest as well, don't you? How about this one? Write down the price and then get out the coins you could use to find that total. Remember, use as few as you can. We start with the pounds, £2. Then the 30, but there's no 30p coin. What's the biggest coin we can start to use? It's a 20, isn't it? A 50p will be too much. Well, we've only got 20, add another 10 to make it into 30. Now let's make the 6p. Again, there's no 6p coin. You would need that 5 again. And then what? You'd need the 1, wouldn't you? So there's your £2, your 30, and then your 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins. Much better than using 236 1p coins. Draw around the coins that you've got and don't forget to label inside what each one is. What's this price? Write it down. Get out the coins. There's no 4p coin. How can you make £4? There's no 70p coin. How can you make 70p? Remember, using the least amount of coins that you can. Let me give you a clue. You should be able to do it using just 5 coins. Give it a try and write down what you got. Now make up your own prices. Make sure they're all above £1 though. But remember, you've only got coins. You can't use notes. No £5 notes, no £10 notes. So pick prices between £1 and £20. Write them down on your square paper and show me the coins that you would use to get that total. Can you do 10 different totals for me, please? If you'd rather do a bit of practice first, just adding up coins, feel free. Remember, practice makes perfect. It's usually better to do the practical work first, playing around with the coins, and then you can start to record later. Grab this from your pack now, page 21. Work out the totals and write down the answers. Don't forget the think question. Then do page 26 for me. Again, you've got the think question. And page 27. You're going to need this for the extension work today, so find that in your pack. Also in your pack you should find the questions to go with that picture. Can you solve these problems? And that's it. Have a good weekend, boys. Rest up so you're ready for next week. Bye.